Okay, well, here are detailed tips for a DIY built tiny home on wheels project with our family, and it has several aspects and it has several points of every single aspect. And then for the first aspect, it's about the we can involve everyone in the planning. Okay, then for the family meetings, we can hold regular meetings to discuss design, layouts, and features. Then for the next point of it is about the assign the tasks. We can give each family member specific tasks based on their skills and interests. Then for the next aspect of it is about the set a realistic budget. So we can make the detailed budget plan, and we can outline all costs including materials, labor, and unexpected expenses. Then for the next point of it is about the stick to the budget. We can track expenses and make adjustment as needed. Then for the next aspect is about the choose a simple design. So we can keep it simple. Simple design can be easier to build and less expensive. Then we can consider about the loft. The loft space can provide additional storage and living area without increasing the footprint. Then for the next aspect is about the selection the right trailer. Then it has a 2 point, and then for the first point is about the weight capacity. We can ensure the trailer can support the weight of your tiny home. Then for the next point is about the durable materials. We can choose a trailer made from high quality rust resistant materials. Then for the next aspect is about the plan for storage. I mean, it was important about the storage. So the built-in storage is very helpful to save our goods in our tiny home. We can incorporate built-in storage solution like underbed storage and closet organizers. Then for the next point is about the multifunctional furniture. We can use the furniture that doubles as storage. Then for the next aspect is about the use sustainable materials. We can consider about the eco-friendly materials. We can choose materials that are sustainable, recycle, or recyclable. Then we can use a low VOC paints, and we can use paints and finishes with low volatile organic compounds or VOCs. Then for the seventh aspect is about the insulate properly. So we can choose the high quality insulation. I mean, the insulation was very important for keep the temperature in our indoor room of the tiny home on wheels. So we can use materials like foam board, spray foam, or fiberglass, and also we can seal all gaps. We have to ensure there are no gaps or cracks where heat or cold air can escape. Then for the next aspect is about the design efficient electrical system. So the first point of it is about the we can hire a professional. Will have a licensed electrician design and install your electrical system. So for the next point of it is about the use energy efficient lighting. We can install LED lighting to reduce energy consumption anyway. Then for the ninth aspect is about the implement a reliable plumbing system. Okay, we can consider about the tankless water heater. We can consider a tankless water heater to save the space and energy. Then for the next point is we can use a PEX piping, or PEX piping is flexible, durable, and resistant to freezing. Anyway, then for the 10th aspect is about the ensure proper ventilation. I mean the proper ventilation is very important. Even if we using the air conditioner inside on our tiny home, so we can use roof fans, windows, and fans to ensure good airflow. Then for the next point of it is about the consider the dehumidifier. I mean, in humid climates, the dehumidifier can help prevent mold and mildew. Okay, well, next for the 11th aspect is about the using high quality roofing materials. I mean, it was very important also. The durable roofing is important. So we can choose materials like metal, asphalt, shingles, or rubber. Then about the proper drainage, it was very important also. So we can ensure the roof is designed for proper water drainage. Then for the 12th aspect is about the secure appliance and fixtures. So we have to anchoring appliance. Securely anchor appliance to prevent movement during transit. So we can choose a compact appliance. Then we can select appliance design for small space and energy efficiency. Then for the 13 aspect is about the minimize natural lighting. um, we can consider about a large window. Then we can incorporate large window to maximize natural light and views. Then for the next point is about the skylight. We can consider adding skylight to bring in additional light. Then for the 14 aspect, it's about the design for the safety. I mean, it's about the smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. It was important to install it. We can install detectors to ensure safety for the further living over there. Then we can consider about the install the fire extinguisher. We can keep the fire extinguisher is in an easily accessible location. So for the 15 aspect is about the consider off-grid capabilities. So it has a important point. The first point is about the solar panels. We can install solar panels to generate electricity to make the own electricity in our tiny home. Then for the water collection system, we can consider a rainwater collection system for off-grid water supply. Then for the 16 aspect is about the use quality flooring. We can use durable flooring. Choose materials like vinyl, tile, or hardwood that can withstand wear and tear. Then we can insulate flooring. We have to ensure the floor is well insulated to keep the home warm. Then for the 17 aspect is about the plan for resale value. Then for the first point of it is about the quality construction. We can build with high quality materials and craftsmanship. Then for the next point of it is about the flexibility. Design with flexibility in mind to appeal to a broader range of potential buyer. For the economic aspect, the plan for resale value was very important for the next budgeting plan in our family plan. Okay, so for the 18 aspect is about the document process. So we can consider about the photos, making photos and videos. So we can take a photos and videos of the build process from scratch to the finish, to the interior finishing or to the interior furnishing inside on our tiny home. Then we can make a journal. We can keep a journal to document challenge, solution, and progress. So for further time, it was useful to evaluate our progress of building our own tiny home in with our family anyway. Then for the 19 aspect is about the stay organized. So the project management tools, we can use tools like Trello or Asana to manage tasks or deadlines. And then for the next point of it is about the tool organization. We can keep tools organized and easily accessible. Then for the 20 aspect of it is about the enjoy the journey. In field of the teamwork, we can embrace the opportunity to work together as a family. Then for the next point of it is about the learn and grow. Then we can view the project as a learning experience and enjoy the process of creating your tiny home. Okay, by following the steps, you can successfully build a tiny home on wheels with your family that meets your needs and provides a sense of accomplishment with our family.